Out of nowhere, Claude AI hits you with the organization has been disabled and suddenly you are locked out. Wow, that's a new problem. Welcome to SpaceBase Pro. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix this issue and regain access step by step. No confusion, just solutions. First, open your browser and head over to the Claude AI. Make sure you are logged in with your account. Now, open the sidebar, clicking on this icon, and at the very bottom, you will see your profile name and the profile icon. Click on it. From here, select the logout option. Because the only solution of this problem is to logging out from your one account and logging back in with another one. As I don't have another account in Claude AI, so I won't be able to show you the method, but it's similarly like this. You have to just enter the mail address here, then click on continue with email, and yeah, to continue, click on the link sent to the here. It has sent me a verification code. Okay, then go to Gmail, and here you can see at the very top, the Claude has given me the mail or the link that I need to sign in. Now click on the sign in option. Now you have to wait while it's doing it work. Verify you with this link. Try again. Yeah, I got into my account. The same account though, because I don't have another one, but I saw you the different method using the mail. And as you will know that now the users can't open a new Claude account because it has been disabled from the system, and if it will only work if you have two accounts created previously, because now you can't just create another account. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you a lot. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to SpaceBase Pro, and see you in another video. Bye.